Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making one pot creamy tortellini. Alright guys, I'm starting out here in my pan. I have it preheated, and I'm going to add in a pound of Italian sausage, ground Italian sausage. I'm going to get this in here and start to brown it up. Alright, now that my sausage is about halfway browned, I'm going to add in a little bit of olive oil because this isn't rendering off any grease at all. Maybe about a tablespoon. And I'm going to add in one medium onion I diced up. I'm going to continue frying it until the onions are translucent and softened and the sausage is browned through. Alright, now that my sausage is all browned up and my onions softened up, I'm going to add in two 14.5-ounce cans of diced tomatoes, juice and all. Let me grab a spoon here, guys. Give that a quick stir to quiet things up. And I still have my heat on. I'm going to add in 3 cups of chicken broth, and it's a 4-cup box, so I'm just going to eyeball it. This is going to be a real quick and easy recipe for work night. I still have my heat on. Actually, I'm turning up to high because we want to warm this up. Now I have roughly about a half a cup of fresh spinach I diced up. That's going in. I'm going to add in a healthy teaspoon of Italian seasoning. If you don't have Italian seasoning, just use some dried oregano and dried basil. Italian seasoning has a little more than that in there, but that'll work just fine. Stir that in. Now what I want to do is I want to bring this up to a boil. Now I have an 8-ounce block of cream cheese here. I put it in the microwave for a minute, took it out the foil wrapper, and I warmed it up in the microwave. It'll make your life much easier, guys, if you warm up cream cheese first. We're going to get this down into our mixture. Because anybody who's worked with cream cheese knows when it's not softened, it can be a little difficult to work with. Okay, I'm just going to stir that in there. Okay, and I'm just breaking it up with the spoon a little bit. As this cooks, that'll help melt down in there. Okay, now that this is starting to come up to a boil, I have a 19-ounce bag of frozen cheese tortellini. I'm going to get that down in there. I'm going to give that a stir. Now I'm going to go ahead and cook this uncovered once it comes back to a boil for 3 minutes. That's all it's going to take, guys, is 3 minutes once it comes back up to a boil. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this up to a boil, give it 3 minutes, and then when we're done doing that part, I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, this is done. I took it off the heat. Now I'm going to add in 3 ounces of shredded Parmesan cheese. And this is pretty close. We might be over by a hair. Who's counting? I'm just going to stir that in. If you like yours a little thicker, you could stir in about a tablespoon or 2 of tomato paste while it's cooking, but this cheese will help thicken it up a little bit. You just want to blend it in. Now remember, it is creamy tortellini, so it's going to be a little creamy. Alright guys, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up the plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. Start with a piece of this tortellini. Just cook through. Cheesy because it was cheesy tortellini. Try some of the sausage. Sausage is really delicious, tender. Sauce is nice and creamy. That really tastes delicious, guys, and it wasn't hard at all, as you can see. Alright, there you have it. One pot creamy tortellini. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.